Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app and in today's video I'm going to show you how to stream PC games on Twitch. First of all, if you do not have a Twitch account, create one. After creating a Twitch account, now install OBS, which is an open source software which is used for video recording and live streaming. After it gets downloaded, click on it to open and click on next and install it. Now after this setup has been completed, click on finish and launch it. Now this is what your interface is gonna look like. In the bottom right corner you can see start streaming, start recording, start virtual camera and other options. Now click on the setting and click on stream. In the drop down menu in service, select Twitch and connect your account. Here now we will connect our Twitch account. Now click on authorize. Now go to the video section. Now you can change the base and output resolution or the FPS. Click on the drop down and select the 60. But if you have a slower computer or streaming a slower game, then you can change it back to 30. Now go to audio, click on the speaker option of your computer or your headphones, and in mic and auxiliary audio again click on the microphone. Now click on apply and then click on OK. Now these two pop-ups will appear. Now we are looking at the audio mixer. You can see the desktop audio and your mic's audio, and you can change the volume by this. Now to select the game you want to stream, now click on the plus icon and click on game capture and click on OK, and then in this drop down menu click on capture specific window. So now to stream the game, click on the window and click on the game which you want to stream so it gets recorded. So if this thing does not work out for you, click on cancel and again click on the plus icon and click on display capture. Okay, then here you can click on display and you can just display your monitor. Then click on OK. So now this displays everything in your computer screen. And you can also add a webcam by clicking on the plus button and click on video capture device. Click on OK and your webcam will also be activated. And once you click on OK, your webcam will also start working. And you can click on the screen, you can click on start streaming. After you click on start streaming, your live stream begins. So now if you go and look into your Twitch, click on your channel and here you can see that you are now live streaming. So if you want to stop your stream, then you can just go back to the OBS and click on stop streaming, which will now stop your stream and you will no longer be streaming. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.